Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Samsung Galaxy phone to your Wi-Fi network. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the setting gear icon. So just open up settings and select network and internet. Now, if you're having an issue with your Wi-Fi, you may want to go underneath internet here and just toggle Wi-Fi off and then on again. And you may also want to go underneath saved networks. And if there's a saved network in here that's no good, you may want to select it and then actually disconnect it or forget the network entirely. And then try to then reconnect to it just by going back to the Wi-Fi page here and then resyncing back up to it. That's the first thing I'd recommend trying if you're having an issue. Otherwise, you should just be able to locate your network from this list and after entering in your network password, and that should hopefully be it. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.